Man, check out the amount of mushrooms that I have grown and I didn't even notice it. That's because the mints just do a real good job. And the hardest thing about growing mints is trying to contain how much they grow. As you see, they just do real good of shedding and decomposing and creating their own little good eco-friendly environment for themselves. And they can keep prospering. But look at that. Look how much rich organic materials in the soil. See how these mushrooms are everywhere. Way back there, I got some. Way over here. Everywhere, man. That's mushrooms, that's mushrooms. Real good sign, man. Rich organic soil, man.